Hi guys, in this video I will talking about Amazon Lightsail. So let's get started. Uh, you can choose your own browser. I'll choose this browser and you just can search Amazon Lightsail review. First of all, we check Amazon first review 2020. Okay, 2020. Amazon Lightsail pricing, alternative, and more. Everything here. We don't visit this website. Amazon Lightsail review and rating 2020. We just visit this. Okay, just overview. Trust radios. Amazon Lightsail 8 10 of 8 rating. Overview. So everything here pricing cloud pricing $3.5 MB Linux 1 GB Linux $5 $10 2 GB Linux free tel not available free and free version premium and consolidating integration service uh, Google Compute Engine in this website totally review trusted is totally review about Amazon Lightsail. So we just search Amazon Lightsail review, uh, then search Amazon Lightsail. If you need to review Amazon Lightsail pricing on Amazon Lightsail rating, so you can search Amazon Lightsail review. You can see many website, then you visit someone and then check everything, you know it. Okay, virtual private server and web hosting. Amazon Lightsail Amazon. So Amazon Lightsail BSEC to compare free cloud server AWS. Okay, you can scroll on what is Amazon Lightsail. uh, Makes sense. Just if you need more like Amazon Lightsail, what is this, etc., etc., you can visit this website, search choose techtarget.com. Here everything. So you just visit virtual private server and web hosting Amazon Lightsail. It's official Amazon website. 3 month free on select bundle the AWS free tier. Amazon Lightsail built application and website fast with low cost pre-configured cloud resource. Get started for free 3 month free on select bundle with the AWS free tier. Create website or application in just few clicks. Automatically configure networking access and security environments. Easily scale as you grow or migrate your resource to the broader AWS ecosystem, such as Amazon. Leverage in the security and reliability world's leading cloud platform. Amazon Lightsail offers easy to use. You know that virtual private server, VPS instance, content storage like database and more, many more, and more at cost effective monthly price. Use case launch a simple web application. You know that you as pre-configured development stacks like lamp in the gx main node.js.s to get online quickly easily. If you need more something, you can visit here. What is Amazon Lightsail? Everything here like storage, how many price range, remote desktop domain name, everything here like screenshot here. Okay,